Hi guys, welcome to the video. So this is my day 4 HTML coding. I'm learning HTML and I'm gonna share with you what I'm learning. If you're new, you might wanna go to day 1 in HTML coding, and if you were here before, I wanna welcome you again and go through day 1 through 2, 3, and 4. This way you don't miss any lessons or any training. So in this video on day 4, I'm gonna add some styling to the HTML code, so it'll give us some design on a page. It looks like it's hard to use HTML by on its own. You still have to use cascading style sheets, which will give you some style of the content on a web page. And this is why wherever I look for books or courses about HTML, they always include style sheets, and now I know why, because you can't do much by HTML coding on its own. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a colored text and a border be around it and a background. So let's get started. So the first thing, this code here is without. So if you look at this code, it is without styling. So it's just the title and then the heading H1. It says my first heading without styling. And this is the second code here. It's the same one with one line added. This line here, it says link rel equals style sheet href equal style.ss. This is how you reference a style sheet if it's external, it's not right on a web page. So, and this is the style sheet here. It says H1 on the top, and again, I'm new on this one, so I'm not that proficient in it, but let's go through it together. So this is gonna give me a different style for the H1, where it says H1, this is the title. And as you can look at the style sheet here, the text, it says H1 on the top, so it's gonna be modifying H1. This one here, and then it has open and closed curly bracelet or braces. So then you have the color. This is gonna make the color of the text black. It says color : black semicolon, and then you have background : red. So the background will be red. It says border 15px dashed yellow. So the border is gonna be yellow and dashed. It's not continuous. It's not solid. And it says 15px. This is how wide is the line, the border. It's 15px, which is the pixel. And then it says padding 20 pixel. The padding is between the border and the content of the container. So if you have a square and you have text in it, the padding is the distance between the text and the border. So the more padding you have, it means the more space you have, and the less padding, the closer the border is to the content. And then it says width 550px. The width is the width of the text. So let's go run it to see how it looks like. So what's gonna happen? So you have to have it in the same folder. So I have them here in the same folder. This is I have them in this. So we can look at the one without styling, which is this one here. This is the code for it, and this is the file. So the way I open it is I right click and open with the Chrome, and once I open it, you can see my first heading without styling. So this one is the HTML coding, the H1, and its title here, it says style sheet example, without any design or colors or changes, without any styling. So now we can look at the second one. So and this is with style sheet example. So you can open it with the Chrome, and if you notice, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the dotted border with a yellow line. This is the background, which is the red, and this is the text, the H1 text, and it's black in color. So there you have it. This is the first example of cascading style sheets. So basically, it gives styles and design or modification to enhance the way HTML code look like. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any ideas about future videos, just let me know so I can create more. Thank you.